Trading tips. Another useful tool in fundamental analysis is to use the US dollar index or USDX for the short term. It tracks the dollar's performance against a set of currencies. Included in the currency basket are the euro, yen, pound, Canadian dollar, Swedish krona, and Swiss franc. Apart from providing a general direction of the dollar's behavior, it also tracks the performance of the US economy against a total of two economies. As the euro is a common currency among 17 countries, with it, USDX can serve as a barometer for most US dollar pairs and the future dollar price action. Technical levels are generally respected by the index, with tests of support and resistance likely to hint at a potential market turnaround. USDX is measured in points, usually up to the third decimal, using a base of 100,000. This means that the value of reflects a decrease in the value of the US dollar against the basket of currencies. A reading of south or increase in the dollar's value relative to the other 6 currencies. Analysis had begun to view the index around the 70s as the leaders of the world's largest nations at the time meeting in Washington to agree on a standard that their currencies could freely oppose. This means that the value of their currency is relative to the US dollar. Another version of the dollar index was built since then. Among these is the trade weight dollar index, which takes into account the trade value of goods from other countries. It was built by the Fed to monitor the competitiveness of US products on the international scene. The weights are adjusted, but this index is not usually measured by forex traders, as the USDX basis has become the norm for tracking the performance of the US dollar. When it comes to the predicting forex price movements, technical and fundamental analysis can also be applied to the dollar index to forecast future price action. Trends are monitored, and leading or lagging indicators can be applied. Inflection points such as round numbers or retracement levels can also indicate a potential market correction or reverse. Japanese candlestick chart pattern and formation are also useful in predicting USDX movement.